Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Punta kami sa malapit sa dagat at overlooking yung Mayon. Maglalakad-lakad.
Dad.
Tapos
Good morning.
good morning.
Good morning. Where are we going again?
Good morning.
Jacket. Where are we going? No, we're
Si
not.
Jan nandun sa kabilang
Where are we going?
tricycle kasama yung kapatid ko sa yung pamangkin ko.
Dad, this
Ang
is
daldal nila,
this
oh.
one. We're going first. Dad, we're going first.
Nakikipagkarera si Sak sa
Dad,
tricycle.
we're going first.
Are we?
Yeah. So Dad's on the back again.
Oh, he's at the back again.
We're winning now.
We are winning now. Yan si Sako. Jackie.
Anyone know whitefish?
He smell. Bab, Sakay said he can smell crayfish. There's no crayfish here, Baba. Maybe that is a crab.
Maybe it's
Yeah.
is that Sunday?
School. No, that's not Sunday.
Who did that? Who is it? That your Sunday?
No, not Sunday school.
Hey, Dad! 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 What are we doing again?
Near to the beach. But we're not gonna go swimming. We're just gonna go for a walk. Where do you want to live, Zap? Australia or here in the Philippines?
In Baco.
In Tabaco? Why?
No, only in the dogs. What in the house?
Why do you want to live here, Kuya?
The dogs.
Kuya, I'm asking. See the volcano?
Volcano.
Here's the volcano. Ayan, no. Ayan yung volcano.
Dad, can you see the volcano? Dad, I can see the volcano. Hold on. Look at that. Look at that. That will bump me.
Enjoy na enjoy ang mga bata.
Dad! Dad!
Gusto na raw nila dito tumira kasi daw maraming bata. Kasi maghapon sila lagi naglalaro.
Guys, I don't see a little kid. Nice looking. Huh?
Oops!
Huh?
Anong oras na? Mga 6:30? 7 o'clock in the morning. Hindi ko lang paano kayo narong ano?
Dad!
Ay, apartment ini. Magayon. Kuya, I'm asking you, why do you want to live here?
It's fun.
It's fun.
I like in the big fun.
Why you like your stuff?
I like dumplings.
You like that, and it's what? It's more?
Ow, my bum!
It's more what?
More fun.
It's more fun. Oh, see, narinig niyo yun. Gusto na raw nila dito
Wow, we
kasi
like
it's more
it.
fun here.
Look, pineapple!
Oh, it's a volcano.
Dad, can you see the volcano? Hey, Mom, you need to pop right over there. It goes down on the...
Pakita si Mayon.
Mom, maybe that is a hill. Mom,
No,
I
it's a
can
volcano.
volcano hill.
It's a big.
There too. Beep beep doggy! Beep beep doggy! Beep beep.
Oh.
I need to hold two hands.
You have to hold two hands. Dako lang na palang pakaray na pala ni. Di ba kung dati sabay, pabay-bay ini? Magayon na. Magayon na pala hindi kayo. Ano ang paro?
Look there! A blog.
Ayan, talbos kamote oh. Ang dami dito oh. Ayan o. Talbos ng kamote.
Beep, 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 beep.
Pip, pip. Ayan, sakahan.
Did he went in the water?
No, that's where you plant the rice. Yeah.
Why in the water?
Here they go.
Why they planting up the bridge on the...
Oh, okay. You can see the
Beep, beep, beep,
ocean.
beep.
See the dagat? See the beach? That's
What?
the beach.
What that dog was doing away?
Here, we're here now. And then that one. Honey, can you please get your ticket? Oh,
Now what do you
stay there.
think?
Is it warm? Warm? Mainit daw yung tubig. Ayan yung volcano. Diba? Hi, Howie!
Eating yung dog?
Oo. TJ, be careful. Gusto nila mag-ano.
Gandahan.
Maglagad sa tubig. Be careful, kuya. Look at Holly. Punta ka na doon, dali. Kaya tito dyan, oh. Oh, at least, hindi na siya. Huwag niyong takutin kasi. Go na! Ano ba tayo dito si Sandro? Si
Paring Sandro!
Yung mga katrupa ni Nak, it's alright, Nak! Punta ka doon, Nak! I-touch mo ang tubig, Nak! I-touch mo ang tubig! Ibaba mo siya! Ibaba mo, touch mo! Tubig! Diyan ka lang na. Wala naman yun nakakatakot. Natumba si Zan. Nagulog si Jan, sabi niya. Bako itong makaulog. Sabi, hindi ko nahilig. Tapos sabi niya, iya ba ka? Bako, tanahulog ako. Sandro man. Nak, Sandro! Hindi naman nakakatakot, di ba? Takot kasi siya kasi nakakita siya malaking butanting. Butanting ba tawag? Butanding.
Ano oras na tayo?
7 daw. Ayan yung volcano.
Wow, yay!
Yay! Nag-touch na si Sandro ng water.
Wow!
Wow, very good. At least hindi na siya takot. Wow. Papa siya, oh. Perfect view pa lang digdi ang mayon. Ano?
Ngayon di pag maano dako na tao nagjo-jogging.
Iyo, pag Sabado,
Rumba, sa ating
digdi. May nagsusumba raw dito. Ay, wow! Very good. Ayun na, wala na. Naligo na sila. Tara, maglang. Is it fun? Yeah. Mayon, saka yung mga bata. Nagbibigay sila. And nandun si Howie.
there.
What?
Somebody.
It's salt water, mate.
It's salt water, like in
Home in the beach.
Dad, is that the market sink?
No.
No, it's not.
Avocado. Yeah. Look at the volcano.
Do you like the volcano?
Okay.
Careful, not too big, Papa.
Mate, throw rocks.
No, no, Sandro, no. TJ, no. Daddy just said TJ. Sak, no, no, Saki, that's too big.
No rocks.
Or we're done.
Mom.
Yeah, dito mo siya patingin. Patingin.
Who's trying to...
Are you done, Sak?
Let's say we didn't know.
No. Are you done? Tapos na raw si Sak. We're going back home now. Nakaligo na yung mga bata. Saglit na ligo lang. Right, Kuya? Did you have fun at the beach?
Yeah. I didn't say red. I said the yellow one. Me too. And all the biggest chickens. I like Lolo TJ.
Kuya TJ.
And what's that?
We're gonna pass Jackie's house, I think. Are we?
That is... I don't know. Didn't.
Papunta to sa bahay ni Jackie, di ba? Oo. Yeah, we're gonna pass Jackie's house.
Tell me why.
Yeah.
Tell me why. So, yeah. Can we stop there? Can we stop there? Then can we walk to the house? The car.
What are you doing?
Does it feel cold?
May trick na naman si Holly, oh. Teacher, look at Holly. Hindi niya ma-widening man.
Bay, you'll try.
Kuya, ano yung bigamit ko?
You try.
Ano yung gamit ko? Sabi ko yung gagawin ko.
You didn't get bread yesterday.
Oh, yeah. Breakfast, of course, rice and hot dog for some.
DJ, isa kari. You want fish, ha? You want fish? Ha? You want fish? You want ham? You want? Isa kari. You want?
Yeah.
Ham?
Okay. Ako na.
Hindi naman sa'yo.
After quick swim sa dagat, ayan o, gutom na sila. Kina?
There's some ketchup.
Please?
Hey, Bob. You hungry too, darling? You want some rice, Baba?
Papa. Si Papa tuwag-tuwag panoorin si Sakuman kasi talagang linalagay niya ang daming kanin sa bibig. Ganado si Sa. Sai, kasi masarap. Mama. Nainay ka ng bubbles? Ah, nagbabubbles na ko. Ito.
Hindi na pagpura na. Sa bata nag-iisip sila din ng maghali. Mahali dati.
Oh, magpapasusunod niya kasi ito. We are planning to go to Sorsogon in Matnog.
Malaki yun sa swimming pool.
Malaki yung swimming pool. Magliligo tayo.
Tapos, yung Iron Man.
Everyday ang pasok dito, ma? Araw-araw yung pasok mo na? Araw-araw? Araw-araw?
Friday.
How about you?
Maswimming ako sa dagat.
Oo, hindi na siya takot lola sa dagat.
Ay, bako siya.
Nag-swim na siya. Pakita ko kay lola mamaya.
Hindi ka natakot. Wala nang doon ng ano siya.
Wala mang shark.
Ano
lang
yun? Nandiyan din nagpadagat.
Dagat.
Wala mang shark doon. Sa malayo, doon ka lang sa malapit. Pag malayo.
Swimming ako.
Oo, like Kuya TJ and sa
Hindi yun. Big yun. Sa dagat.
big yung sa dagat. Wala namang shark. May shark pero wala doon sa pinunta natin.
Swimming ako lang.
Swimming lang ikaw. Oo, mag-swimming lang ikaw. Huwag ka takot. Huwag
I
yung
like that
takot.
ako.
Na?
Like that.
Ayan, nag-like that ka. Nag-swim ikaw. How about you? Are you gonna go swim?
Hindi, pigundong mo sa dagat.
Dae.
Ay, Diyo.
Hindi.
Saan ka na naman, Tito Floyd? Wala sila kuya nagpagupit kasama si Jackie. Holly. Hi, Baba. Pinapakain siya ni Lola ng mamon. Masarap, Holly. Uy, hawak ikaw, hawak.